Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a zombie Godzilla face. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our zombie Godzilla face, let's begin right up here with the eye. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to curve it up and bring it back like this. Starting here, we're going to bring this line down and then up. Underneath here, I'm going to make a line that comes out, and then we're going to bring it back. Then we'll add another little line right underneath there. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up. We're going to make it a little bit bumpy as we bring it back for the top of the eyebrow ridge. And then we're just going to bring a little line that's going to come out and then down. Then we're going to make a couple little curved lines right there. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line up and down. I'll do another little line right there. Then I'm going to bring this line down. And then we'll make a little curved line that comes down here for the nose. We'll add a little line right here for the other eye. Starting here, we're going to bring this line down. We're going to bring it over. And then I'm going to go up and I'm going to make some like little points right here. We're going to bring this up and then come down a little bit. Then we're going to bring this down, and then I'm going to make it come up a little bit right here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and then we're going to come kind of down at an angle, and then we'll curve it across as we come to here. Next, we're going to bring this line back over. And then we're going to bring a line that's going to go down, and I'm going to bring it in with a couple points and then back out. Next, we're going to come down, and I'm going to bring this up. And then I'm going to bring this over, and then we're going to kind of curve it around. Now before we add anything else, let's go ahead and kind of finish off the mouth area over here. So I'm going to start by drawing a little line right here. And then we're going to connect this with kind of like a little bumpy line. I'm going to bring another line down here. And then to add the teeth, I'm going to start off with a nice long one right there, nice and pointy. And then we're going to make some smaller, sharp, kind of jagged teeth all around here. So we're going to do just some different ones kind of going down. You can leave some little spaces in between them too. And then right over here, I'm going to add some more teeth. And then in some of these, I'm actually going to leave just a little bit of space at the bottom so we can kind of see like the gum line. So I'm just going to make some jagged teeth in here. Then we're going to make some little lines that come across to connect them. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve up and then down. And another one here is going to do the same. And then we're just going to bring it back here. I'm going to bring this down, and we're going to bring it down here and come over. We'll add a few more little teeth. Now, starting here, I'm going to make some little pointed lines that just kind of come back. And then right up here, I'm going to make some more kind of pointed, bumpy lines. As I get back here, I'm going to make a big, kind of wavy, bumpy line. I'm going to bring some lines down to a point, and then I'm going to bring them over. So we'll do it again. We'll kind of come down and then bring it over. I'll do it just a couple more times. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come over and up. And we're going to do the same thing a couple more times. We're going to keep adding this, and then when I get to here, I'm going to make kind of like a big, bumpy part that comes out, and then we're going to bring it back and down. We'll make a nice long broken line coming down here. Now right across here, I'm going to add a couple little small kind of jagged spikes or kind of like dorsal fins up here. And we'll just kind of leave it empty right here. And then right here we'll make a little line that comes across. We can connect it down. We'll make a few more of these kind of pointed, jagged spikes. And I'll put a couple more in between some of these too. Now, starting right here at the eye, I'm going to bring this line back a little bit. And then I'm going to make some lines that are just going to curve down, and they're going to come around here, kind of back towards the nose area. And I'm going to bring a couple little lines that come down here. Starting here, we're going to come down with a couple little points, so it kind of looks like he's got a big scratch across his face. And then in here, we'll add a couple little extra lines. We'll make a little bumpy line here. We'll make another kind of big chunk over here, a little couple extra detail lines. Right down here, we'll add a big line, and then we're going to make some little lines that come across here to make it look like there's some little bones sticking out. Then I'm going to make some kind of like wavy lines over here, maybe just to add some extra little detail. We're going to add a couple extra lines over here. We'll add a little kind of scratch above his eye. And then we'll add a couple like big scratches coming down here. I'm going to add just some few little extra broken line details in some different spots around here. A few little lines coming down and a few coming up too. We'll add a few more lines by the eye. And we'll make some little details here. And a few details on here. Then we're going to add some little extra lines that come down right on the dorsal fins, just to give some texture and detail coming out of here. And then we'll even add a couple little lines on the tongue. And you can always add some extra little spots around here on Godzilla just to kind of show where maybe some more parts of his skin or something are missing. There's lots of different things you can do. But there you go, there's your drawing of a close-up of a zombie Godzilla face. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.